doing a video now, seeing if the Predator 3500 can power 2 air conditioners, a fridge, and some other stuff all at the same time. So we got the fridge here, and it's being powered. Now I don't know if the cooling part of the fridge is on or not, but it's working. Got a light on. Got the computer plugged in. Got the evaporator cooler down here working. Hannah likes that, right, Han? And we got this air conditioner. The cat's being cooled off. This is on high cool. This is pulling about 400 watts. It's cold. It's on high cool. Hannah, quit biting me. Playing. Now, I'll show you the second air conditioner that I got running by way of the Predator. Let's get out of the shuttle bus and lock things up so the dog don't get out. There's a Predator 3500. Here's the other air conditioner, and it's 68. It's on high, cool. Fan is blowing cold. It's cold. And it is pulling 477.6 watts. So let's just say the other air conditioner is pulling the same. That's 940, let's say 950 watts. 480 and 480, 960 watts right there. The fridge is 200 or 300, blah blah blah. So yeah, the Predator should easily be able to run 2 air conditioners, 3,500 watts, and it's doing it right now, no problem. Just thought I'd check and see if I could run 2 air conditioners.